Here we are at Bluebill Campground in southern Oregon, not far from North Bend and Coos Bay. Beautiful campsite, no hookup, but coastal dune area, really lush foliage, and this is our truck with the Thule on top. Very useful. We put all of our small stuff on top, makes it easier to pack and unpack. And walking around here, you can kind of see what's on the roof. You know, the front solar panel there is 170 watts, and there are two 90-watt panels in the back, and then I've got 200-watt panels on the ground for a total of around 550 watts. And even on a day like today, which is cloudy, where the sun is just barely penetrating the veil of clouds, I'm getting 150 watts, you know, roughly between 10 and 13 amps, even on a cloudy day, which is more than enough to keep us going with our basic needs to keep cell phones charged and keep our refrigeration going. And we do have a cell booster, a WeBoost cell booster with a directional antenna that allows us to get somewhat improved cell reception here. Is somewhat improved. It's good enough, and we just plug it in when we need it. And of course, there's our canopy, which was sort of made for us by a sail maker. It's made out of this this kind of shade material, so it doesn't keep the water out, but it does provide shade. And of course, we've got the director's chairs set up here and the outdoor stove. And if you look around, you know, you just kind of see this is our backyard here. You know, which has kind of a lower lying sort of a wetland, although it's not that wet right now. And if you look really closely in the video here, you can see the lichen, which looks like Spanish moss, but I think when I did a lookup on iNaturalist, it's actually a lichen that covers everything. It's just a very wet and humid climate here, although cooler. I think it's like 61 degrees right now, and you know, it's mid-September. And you know, this is the back of our pickup truck. I've got way too many tools, at least that's what Elsie says. And we keep a charcoal grill in here, and tent stakes, a ladder so we can get up on top of our trailer if we need to, and other miscellaneous items. And yeah, that's pretty much our campsite.